Morning to you all guys and dear students. Today 27th July 2020. Have a nice day to you all. Now once again we will go to the supplementary textbook Vistas in second story The Tiger King by the story writer Kalki. The Maharaja of Pratibandhapuram is the hero of this story. He may be identified as His Highness Zamedar General Khiledar Major Satyavyagra Samhari Maharaja Dhiraj Vishwabhuvan Samrat Sir Jilani Jangjang Bahadur MAD ACTC or CRCK, but this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. I have come forward to tell you why he came to be known as Tiger King. I have no intention of pretending to advance only to end in a strategic withdrawal. Even the threat of a Stuka bomber will not throw me off track. The Stuka, if it likes, can beat a hasty retreat from my story. Right at the start, it is imperative to disclose a matter of vital importance about the Tiger King. Everyone who reads of him will experience the natural desire to meet a man of his indomitable courage face to face. But there is no chance of its fulfillment. As Bharata said to Rama about Dasratha, the Tiger King has reached that final abode of all living creatures. In other words, the Tiger King is dead. The manner of his death is a matter of extraordinary interest. It can be revealed only at the end of the tale. The most fantastic aspect of his demise was that as soon as he was born, astrologers had foretold that one day the Tiger King would actually have to die. The child will grow up to become the warrior of warriors, hero of heroes, champion of champions, but they bit their lips and swallowed hard. When compelled to continue, the astrologers came out with it. This is a secret which should not be revealed at all, and yet we are forced to speak out. The child born under this star will one day have to meet its death. At that very moment, a great miracle took place. An astonishing phrase emerged from the lips of the 10-day-old Jilani Jangjang Bahadur. O wise prophets! Everyone stood transfixed in stupefaction. They looked wildly at each other and blinked. O wise prophets! It was I who spoke. This time there were no grounds for doubt. It was the infant born just 10 days ago who had enunciated the words so clearly. The chief astrologer took off his spectacles and gazed intently at the baby. All those who are born will one day have to die. We don't need your predictions to know that. There would be some sense in it if you could tell us the manner of that death. The royal infant uttered these words in his little squeaky voice. The chief astrologer placed his finger on his nose in wonder. A baby barely 10 days old opens its lips in speech. Not only that, it also raises intelligent questions. Incredible. Rather like the bulletins issued by the War Office than facts. The chief astrologer took his finger off his nose and fixed his eyes upon the little prince. The prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger are enemies. Therefore, death comes from the tiger, he explained. You may think that Crown Prince Jangjang Bahadur was thrown into a pack when he heard the word tiger. That was exactly what did not happen. As soon as he heard it pronounced, the Crown Prince gave a deep growl. Terrifying words emerged from his lips. Let tigers be aware. This account is only a rumor rife in Pratibandhapuram, but with hindsight we may conclude it was based on some truth. This one is the first part of this story. Glossary from this are like this. Attitude means a selected way of thinking of feeling. Identified means recognized. Highness means a title given to a person of royal rank. Shortened means made short. Pretending to means lying claim to. Advance means move forwards. Strategic withdrawal means coming back from long-term military advantage. Beat a hasty retreat means coming back hurriedly. Imperative means necessary. To disclose means expose to view. Vital means essential. Indomitable means impossible to defeat. Fulfillment means realization. Abode means residence. Extraordinary means uncommon. Interest means a quality exciting curiosity. Revealed means disclosed. Fantastic means imaginative. Aspect means a particular part. Demis means death. Astrologers means persons who use astrology to tell people what might happen to them in the future. Foretold means predicted. Warrior means a brave fighter. Champion means winner. Swallowed hard means absorbed in thought with difficulty. Compelled means forced. Came out means came forward. Not to be revealed at all means not to be exposed in any way. Crown prince means a male heir to a throne. Miracle means supernatural event. Astonishing means surprising or impressing. Emerged means came out. Growl means harsh rumbling sound. Prophets means predictors or proclaimers of the will of God. Transfixed means stunned or rested at one place. Stupefaction means astonishment and shock. Wildly means haphazardly or very much. Blinked means winged. Enunciated means pronounced or spoken. Gazed intently means stared purposely. Predictions means foretellings. Uttered means spoke. Be aware means be cautious and alert to risks. Squeaky voice means in a high-pitched tone. Rift means widespread. Barely means hardly or scarcely. Incredible means difficult to believe. Bulletins means regular reports or news, etc. Fixed upon means applied on. In the hour of means at the time on. Quack means shock. Pronounced means spoken. Terrifying means frightening. Hindsight means wisdom about an event after it has occurred. And conclude means infer. These are the selected word meanings from this story, The Tiger King, part first. Dear students, note these all selected word meanings in your fair notebook and read the first part of this story. Nice meeting to you the next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.